I declare the 62nd annual convocation of Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, resume.
The mandate given to this institution by this nation, especially this institution where the blood of our freedom fighters was spilt, where on this institution Pandit ji mentioned that this represents India's urges, India's future in the making. It always remains India's future in the making. IIT Kharagpur has charted the course of engineering education in this country in a completely different way. Along with the sister institutes like the IITs, today we are probably the finest brand name of independent India developed in this country. The Honorable Prime Minister mentions always Make in India. We have replied to him, sir, this is what we have been making for 65 years. My friends, while you go out and change the world for the better, motivated by an irresistible longing to understand the secrets of nature and its intricate loving harmony, please do so with the tender care for our fellow countrymen who have supported your education in the sincere hope that you will make their world better. Please try your best to ensure with a smile that you provide a smile to your fellow citizens in whatever you do. All of you who have been here for 2-3 years know that this institute was a Hijli detention camp, a camp for political prisoners before. Before I complete, I want to share with you that my old teacher in school, he was the son of the richest lawyer in Dhaka, who left his home to fight for our freedom struggle, who spent 15 years in this Hijli detention camp. After he came out, he became a school teacher, and throughout his life instilled in us that pride, that sense for which the freedom struggle meant for him, and what he wanted to tell us and what he wanted to tell us when we were in school. There are hundreds of stories that he used to tell us about this Hijli detention camp. I did not know much of it. We used to all listen, except that when I came to this institute as a student, today I remember whatever he said. And I would like to share with you through a song which you may have heard before about what he felt we should do. And I thought that it will be something that you would also like to remember about what not only these forefathers of this nation, but everybody in this institution wants you to remember while you leave the institution, change the world, become great leaders. So I would request them to play this song for a minute.
हम लाए हैं तूफान से किश्ती निकाल के, इस देश को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के। हम लाए हैं तूफान से किश्ती निकाल के, इस देश को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के। तुम ही भविष्य हो मेरे भारत विशाल के, इस देश को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के। हम लाए हैं तूफान से किश्ती निकाल के, इस देश को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के। देखो कहीं बर्बाद न होवे ये बगीचा, देखो कहीं बर्बाद न होवे ये बगीचा, इसको हृदय के खून से बापू ने है सींचा, रखा है ये चिराग शहीदों ने बाल के, इस देश को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के। हम लाए हैं तूफान से किश्ती निकाल के, इस देश को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के। आराम की तुम भूल भुलैया में न भूलो, सपनों के हिंडोलों पे मगन हो के न झूलो। आराम की तुम भूल भुलैया में न भूलो, सपनों के हिंडोलों पे मगन हो के न झूलो। अब वक्त आ गया मेरे हंसते हुए फूलो, उठो छलांग मार के आकाश को छू लो, आकाश को छू लो। तुम गाड़ दो गगन में तिरंगा उछाल के, इस देश को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के। हम लाए हैं तूफे किश्ती निकाल के, इस देश को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के।
Sir, I present to you the candidates for Master of Technology degree in Computer Science and Engineering. Shruti M. Dibyendu Dash, Shashi Kushwaha, Manoj Kumar,
By virtue of the authority vested in me as director of this institute, I admit the candidates presented to me and others in absentia to the degrees of Master of Technology MTech, Master of City Planning MCP, Master of Business Administration MBA, Master of Medical Science and Technology MMST, Master of Human Resource Management MHRM, Bachelors of Law with specialization in Intellectual Property Law LLB, Master of Technology 3-year program, Master of Business Administration in the Executive MBA program, and charge them to be worthy of the same.
Next, I want to talk about giving back. We had an example of giving back. One of the companies that was started at IIT Kharagpur, Capillary Technologies, actually gave back to the institute, I think, 5 crores. I think you need to actually develop this as a habit. And it doesn't have to be money. It can be time. It can be helping somebody learn. Whatever way you can. I think it's important to cultivate that habit. You're lucky to be here studying at IIT Kharagpur. You've got a fantastic education. This brand of IIT Kharagpur is going to take you far, far into the world. And I believe that responsibility in all of us is actually significantly more, because we, in some sense, are blessed actually. Yesterday I was saying that you are actually less than 0.01%, 0.1%, less than 0.1% of the workforce in India. It's you're a rare set of people actually. And so the responsibility in you to give back is significantly more, in any way you can, teaching, research, educating somebody, if you can, contributing with kind, etc., etc. You need to do that starting now. Don't wait till it's too late, or you're old and you've made your made your life and things like that. But you can do that in every way you can, even today. Again, I want to conclude by quoting our first Prime Minister as we enter this building. It's written in big letters. Sri Jawaharlal Nehru, when he spoke at the inauguration of this institute on August 18, 1951, he said, and I quote, "Here in the place of that Hilji detention camp stands the fine monument of India, representing India's urges, India's future in the making. This picture seems to me symbolical of the changes that are coming to India. And as I stand in front of you today, I see India's future in you and the changes that are coming to India. I believe that the future is in safe hands. Thank you for listening to me patiently.
May I request Chairman Board of Governors to hand over the memento to our Chief Guest, please.
As we come to the end of this ceremony, it is my pleasure to extend a vote of thanks to all who have made this event such a success. Let me start by expressing our deep and heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Senapati Chris Gopalakrishnan for agreeing to come over to IIT Kharagpur and share invaluable insights from his extensive academic and research experience with our graduating students. Sir, it is a matter of proud privilege for all of us at IIT Kharagpur to get a luminary like you as the chief guest on the 62nd annual convocation. I'm sure your thought-provoking address will guide our graduating students in time to come. Convocation Day is a very special day for the students who have successfully completed their studies. It is the occasion when the students and their parents' hard work, dedication, and sacrifices are finally recognized and rewarded at this prestigious ceremony. I thank all the graduating students and their parents for participating in this event in large numbers and making it worthy to organize. I also would like to thank the media who have come to cover this convocation. My heartfelt gratitude goes to our well-wishers and all who have come here from different parts to join us in this celebration. And finally, my sincere gratitude goes to all the members of the convocation organizing committee who have tirelessly worked for the success of the 62nd annual convocation. With these few words, I declare the 62nd annual convocation of Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur closed.
नायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष